So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do linear regressions on your calculator. So you're going to start off by clicking Stat and then choose option 1, which is Edit. So you can see in L1 and L2, I don't have any data, but if you do have data for some reason, just go up until the title is highlighted and then click Clear and then Enter. And you're going to do the same thing for L2. Go up, click Clear, and then Enter, and it'll clear out the values in your table. So now we're going to go to L1 and we're going to enter the values that we have here. I'm just going to use the sample data from your study guide. So 2, 4, 7, and 11 for L1. And then in L2, I'm going to do 7, 10.5, 15.75, and 22.75. So now that I have all my values entered, I'm going to click on Stat once again, and I'm going to arrow right to Calculate. I'm going to choose option 4, which is Linear Regression, and hit Enter. I'm going to keep hitting Enter until Calculate is highlighted, and then once Calculate is highlighted, I'm going to hit Enter again, and notice that it now gives me the values of A and B that I can use to write my equation. So I'm just going to plug those in, so my equation is going to be y equals 1.75x plus 3.5.